Good afternoon all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, May 20th. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. I'll tell you what, this market's going to owe us some volatility because this is absurd. Barely kept out of the top 10 in range. We are certainly going to be in the top 10 in lightest volume. We're only at 36 million when the day ended. I don't think we're going to do 13, 14 million to get above 49.9. Shouldn't be the lightest volume of the year, but it certainly could be the second or third lightest. An interesting day in ES. We started 8 for 8, had a mini liquidation break, never could recover, never got back to park. On the flip side, NQ ends up perfect, 13 for 13, second time this year. They had a perfect point of control April 10th and now May 20th. Righty also has 2 perfect point of controls. ES does not have any this year. Righty ends with an afternoon pullback low in J and 8 wide. Well, now, Righty and ES are in balance. Look at ES, how it missed the all-time high by 3 ticks. NQ, the previous high was 661. I'm going to still call it balance for now. I figured I wanted them to stretch it some more. Now, if you want to call the daily up, I have no problem with that. I can tell you this, if NQ makes a new high tomorrow, even if it's by 2 points, I would then call them up. But for now, I'm going to say they stretched their balance high on the daily. They're certainly up on the monthly and weekly, as is ES. I had an okay day today. It wasn't bad. I mean, I'm just hoping the volatility is going to increase. I don't know about the summer, but hopefully for the fall. I took a short in ES against, I'm sorry, not a short. I took a long in ES against the overnight low to front run it. They got it right away. It went up. I took it off. I broke even. So I didn't lose money on that trade. In fact, if I had held it, I would have made money. But that's okay. Then I switched to A period in NQ and did well on 3 ebb and flow trades. The market, they had higher value. They got the overnight high. They were pushing, so any pullback, especially once they got the overnight high, I was looking for longs and did well in A period in NQ. I did take 1 short against the balance high, which worked out in A. B period, I got long to pop A's high. In NQ, did well on that. And then also on some ebb and flow trading because we were one-time framing up. So NQ, it wasn't moving much, but it was still paying. It wasn't moving like the way it usually does. I took a long in F period, a small one in ES, just made very small, and I thought maybe that would be the afternoon pullback low. NQ never took out a time frame low to have that at that point. So that's why I did it in ES. H period, we attempted to go trend up, by the way, in ES and NQ. I did take a long twice in NQ and H. Once when they had the singles that paid, and another when they filled the single prints, which paid. Now, I took a long in I period in ES because at that point they had gotten away from their POC pretty good. NQ really hadn't. So I decided to do an ES, and it paid. Got about 4 points out of it. The one trade I made a mistake on, but I made money on it, I was looking along one or both of these. I said ES I would long if we made a new low on a day. NQ I wanted to long around half back. As soon as NQ got down here, I hit the buy button, and I bought 4, but it was ES. I was on the wrong contract. I was on ES. I got paid. I wouldn't have bought 4 right away in ES. NQ, I don't mind buying 4 right away. ES, I would not have bought 4 right away, especially with 11 wide POC below us. So, because I bought the wrong one right away, I bought it. I think I bought it like 25, 25 or 24. What did it get down to? It might have been 24 and a half. Anyway, I took them off. I made about 3 points on them. But I had a 4 lot, so I made 12 points. So that was fine. but I never got back in and got NQ. So, and that was my last trade of the day. After that, I mean, this market just really didn't do anything. So, good start to the week. We'll see. Again, tomorrow we're going to have I don't know how busy you'll be tomorrow, as they keep waiting for more stupid things like Fed minutes and stuff. Anyway, as far as destinations go in ES and SPY, 531.56 all-time high in SPY. They hit an all-time high. Downside is today's low, 529.17. ES did not hit an all-time high. 48.25 is today's high, and today's low is 23.75. Now, I'm not going to ignore an 8-wide POC. I just don't carry it forward. If we trade near it tomorrow, great. If we don't, and going forward, we're not near it, I don't carry it forward. 13 wide, absolutely. I want 9 wide or more. And then chart-wise. Now, so here's the daily. So SPY and ES are definitely a 4-day balance. Now, here's the Qs and NQ. We did make a new high, but it was I'm using Wednesday's low as the balance. So the balance low, I'm rounding out 447, 454, $7.50 balance. I'm like, let's get a little more to the upside. So again, if you want to call it up, I don't have a problem. However, for now, I'm going to call this a 4-day balance and see if we take out today's high tomorrow to automatically put the NQ up on all 3 of their indices. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Check out my new website, camelbacktrading.org. There's all different price points, so check them out. Hope you had a good day trading. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.